Aashiyana is a 5-bedroom house located in a 2-acre of land which is in foothills of Western Ghats. The design basically is following the romance and ambience of Kerala traditional architecture. At the same time, it encompasses the modern lifestyle needs, create spaces which are quiet and seamless with nature. Hi, I'm Nishan from The Earth Architects. Please join us for an exclusive home tour of Aashiyana in Wandoor. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. Wandoor is basically located at the eastern part of Kerala, which is in the foothills of Western Ghats. You have abundant rains here, and the summers are very dry and hot. So the house is in approximately 2 acres of land as a part of their ancestral property. Old Tharavad house was situated here. We demolished and we refurbished everything for the farmhouse. This is for a family, very close-knit family, part of a larger group. With that understanding, we understood that they need more of that gathering spaces where everybody can come in and the whole family can have good gatherings here. So this is the entire plot, and you have the access from here. As per the requirement, they wanted a farm and a house. So what we did was, this cheaper part we took it for the farming purposes. And there are 2 garden walls which welcomes you and orient you towards that sit out. Once you enter the house, where you have steps and we've placed a traditional pillar. There is one more exit towards the north. And further walking down, you'll get this comes that main formal living and the dining part. Where you have a living room, completely segregated space, if at all you have people from outside coming in. So this is a formal living space. And from the living, this connecting corridor, this will direct you towards that main living space. The prime heart of the house is this courtyard, where you have all this interactive spaces, the informal sittings, open kitchen, and so this space is the heart of the house where everybody meets most of the time.
As you can see, we have given a kottil on the right hand side of the courtyard, which has a large seating area which can accommodate nearly like a 10 to 12 people. So this basically have a connection with the courtyard as well as the kitchen. And we have given a parent's bedroom at the end of the corridor. As well as we are in this corridor itself, in between these openings, we have a door also, which gives an entry towards the exterior courtyard. This is our exterior courtyard, where we have multiple entry spaces. this space is mainly used for the family gatherings, as our client was from a joint family. And for this external courtyard, we have given the vision from the most of the spaces of the house.
The vertical circulations are tucked inside these two zones. The first floor goes here. You have the corridor which connects the 3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom, comes towards the east. And this is mainly the guest bedroom, so we also have a small seater and a window which can open inside. So as this is on a small hillock kind of thing, and there are a lot of water flowing out, first thing what we did was to slow down the water flow so that everything is balanced. You are not rushing or pushing away all the water from the site. And we also did a rainwater harvesting pond where it was derived from that old memory of their pond. We did that pond with the traditional technique itself and modern labor. We were looking for all the local materials available nearby the site. The main thing which you can see is that there are a lot of use of granites which comes from the local neighborhood, and we have this laterite stones which was used for traditional construction and pond construction. So other major thing which we used was the use of wood. We got all these wooden pillars from the Chettinad area. And even the site visits were really interesting. His brother's house is nearby, and whenever we come to a site, there will be a huge feast going on in the afternoon. So we were really interested in coming to the site all the time because we'll be getting a lot of food. Everybody was having a wonderful memory of this place, and this was kind of very close to heart project for the clients as well as their larger family group. So the earth is basically what we term it as nurture, create and belong. And if you ask me about the spaces we did for this house actually aligns to that firm's vision of creating a lot of interesting gathering spaces and interactive spaces. That kind of spaces actually nurture the bonding between the generations.
Kerala traditional system itself, which we use as flow പോക്കല്ല അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ഫ്ലോ പിടിക്കുന്നത്